it. My name is Charlie Rabbit. My name is Charlie Rabbit. What's my name?
Alright, we just dropped off the minivan. We're gonna head to the city, get some good New York City pizza, and then get some more shots, and also do that video we're gonna do in the city with Kevin. So we're exhausted. Exhausted, but we're still doing work. So these little kids love the tunnels, you know, the cars, exhaust.
Hey, yo, hey, we're walking here!
These little kids, you know? Little kids!
We're going into a tunnel!
Tip, tip, tips!
Tip, tips! We're in New York! Gabagool!
Wow, we're in New York City! We're in New York City! What's up, guys?
We are in New York City, dude!
New York!
Nothing new to me. Born and raised in New York.
Hey, I'm walking here!
Look at this clown here, talking like he's from New York. You know what the funny thing is? It's funny watching these guys be on all about all these buildings in New York City. Grown and raised in New York City, it's like whatever. You're like amazed by this, right? Right?
I'm just amazed by the lights. It's a pretty city to take pictures of.
It is. At night though.
Yeah.
Daytime's okay. All right, we got Kevin Valentino,
What's
right?
up,
We got
guys?
Kevin Valentino.
Yo.
We're about to do a little brief Every Buzz's story on the channel.
Yes, sir.
You excited? Car looks amazing. Car looks amazing, right?
That's not even a question.
I know he came early to the Bear Mountain rally, had a good time. But now we're in Times Square, literally Times Square back there, and we're gonna interview him, hear his story. Hopefully, you guys can hear me with this mask on. But anything to say?
If not, we'll remove it.
Yeah. Anything to say?
Let's go. Let's
go.
do this.
All right.
That's it. Get closer.
Yeah. Closer. Are you okay if we do your name plate? I mean your license plate?
Of course, everybody knows NK.
Ready? Action. So give us your name and your Instagram handle.
So my name is Kevin Valentino. My Instagram is Kevin J Valentino.
That way, go that way. That way, no, it's that way. You gotta go back that way.
Where true Charlie Kingdom. Thanks for being on my movie. Check it out. Instagram, The Charlie Rabbit, not Charlie Rabbit. The movie's called, it's an electronic musical called I Am Charlie Rabbit. If you go there, my name is Charlie Rabbit. I'm a rabbit. I'm a rabbit. I hop it in
back there?
What's my name?
Come on, you gotta say it. What's his
What's
name?
my name?
Charlie Rabbit.
Charlie Rabbit. I
there
rap
you
it
go.
and I hop it. I bop it and I quack it. My name is Charlie Rabbit. My name is Charlie Rabbit. What's my name? What's my name? a rabbit. Come on, I'm a rabbit. I'm a rabbit. Come on, What's in the Jolly Kingdom?
That way now.
Okay, thanks for being in my movie. Cut.
I'll be going to Florida, so I'll link up with all you guys.
Yeah, man.
Thanks a million.
Y'all let us know when you're in town,
Thank
man.
you. Yeah, absolutely.
Hey, brother.
And best of luck on all your builds. Yo, thank you very much, man.
Of course.
Bye, everybody.
Hey, nice meeting you.
Meeting you.
Bye.
Tell them to buy you a handbag. Spend all that money on the car.
Yeah, buy me a handbag.
You know when you normally buy a mod, you gotta buy your girl something.
It
No, it's
evens
not.
out.
Forget.
Evens out.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
You just keep me happy with one handbag.
There you go.
That's a lot of handbags.
Yeah, you know, she wants a Michael Kors bag. Nah, she wants a Michael Kors bag. That's what she.
I saw a couple on the way over here.
All right, so we just finished filming Kevin Valentino's build. Every build has a story. As you can see, you can kind of see all the shake right now. It's really bumpy in the city. Update, right now we're just doing some B-roll of Barney's car. And you've seen it throughout this whole video. Or throughout the whole video and then the other video. I'm pretty tired. I know Barney's pretty tired. Right now we're just driving the city. And Kevin, real cool guy. Your build's amazing, beautiful. The carbon fiber fender is definitely tying the whole build. Definitely ties in the whole build. But it was great to meet you. Your car looks beautiful. It's gonna look good on video. And to be honest, you're the first one to do it in Times Square in New York, which is pretty cool. But I gotta say, I gotta give Barney another shout out, man. This guy has been a trooper since day one, since he picked this up. I know he's tired, I'm tired, but it's what we gotta do for you guys, make some fire content. We'll check in with you guys at the hotel. We gotta still pack, and then tomorrow morning we leave. But more than blown away by the amount of support from everybody. All right, guys, just got back to the room.
Yeah, I'm still hungry.
Are you still hungry?
I'm still hungry.
All right, so he's starving. One thing is, you messed up, man. Why are you gonna go to McDonald's in New York City and not get New York City pizza?
Exactly, bro.
I thought we were gonna go after.
I guess not. But hey, I had 4 slices of pizza.
I had 3 slices of pizza.
No, didn't you get 2?
had 3
No,
slices?
3?
Are you
Okay.
insane, dog? You ate 2 fucking pizzas yesterday.
Bro, do you see the size of those slices though?
Yeah,
They're
no.
about the size of fucking New Jersey.
They're pretty big. Those are like legit.
Bro,
You
the
taste
slices were like this, bro. Like,
Yeah.
not even kidding.
Yeah, they're
They were
pretty good.
amazing.
What was that?
And they were floppy. They weren't cardboard.
So anyways, yeah, so we just filmed in New York City, had some good footage of Kevin Valentino. Real cool guy, like I said earlier. And then Baca, you know, as a thanks for us to Barney for helping us out and, you know, using his vehicle, driving around New York City, and kind of being our private tour guide. Even though I don't need a tour guide, I'm from New York City, but these guys are not. Baca made a nice cinematic video of him. And that's going to be in, what, the movie, or what's that going to be in?
I'll figure it out.
He'll figure it out. I don't want to put him on the spot. He's tired. Here, let's go speak to Baca. What's up, man?
I'm extremely tired.
How tired are you?
We had like what, 6 hours of sleep, max.
Pretty much. I'm exhausted. My back hurts.
Dude,
There's parts of my body that I never knew would hurts.
right? Right. And dude, and I'm like so fucking like nauseous.
You're nauseous?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, like I've been like the whole day because from the band.
Oh yeah, 'cause
Inhaling all the fumes.
oh yeah, he was in the backseat of
And then, like, was switching back
the
and forth.
minivan, and then he hit McDonald's. That guy's ridiculous. You should drink some water, man. You look thirsty.
No, yeah.
But besides that, let's go talk to Grizzly.
Dude, that was
That was him all night yesterday. I don't know where I put my earplugs. I think my earplugs are my shorts, but all right, Grizz,
Yo,
talk to the people.
people of Grizzland. Today was awesome. Oh, let me sit up. Oh, shit, my back hurts. Bro, we're going on a food adventure, just so y'all know, because we're still hungry. Me and Baca kind of big dudes. But today was sick. It was awesome nonetheless. Everyone that came out, thank you. I appreciate everyone working with the media crew, allowing us to get the content we were. My hair's all over the place right now. I can see that in the mirror. You know, hanging out the back of a truck will do that to you. But stay tuned. Pictures coming soon.
But that's
Tokyo
it.
Drift was about to come.
What's gonna happen now is we're gonna pack. They're gonna go. I don't know. Look for food. Why don't you Uber Eats some food? Uber Eats.
Do you have Uber Eats?
Yes.
Yeah. Why don't you
All right,
Uber Eats some food?
Let's collaborate on.
So what's gonna happen is we're gonna check in with you guys tomorrow morning, and we'll see you at the airport, or even at Barney's car. So we'll see that. But on that note, we'll see you tomorrow. Next morning, we are gonna be on our way to the airport. Just double checking the room, making sure we didn't leave anything. Everybody's still tired. Barney's outside. He's gonna be picking us up, and we'll be heading straight to the airport. Checking with you guys there. Really? So.
All right, guys. So in closing, we're wrapping up day 3 of BMW Invasion, the rally, Bear Mountain. We want to thank, of course, our local guy Barney, who's back there, for hosting us, for taking care of us while we were here. Everybody that showed up for the BMW Invasion rally event, we want to thank you, especially to our sponsors, Park Avenue BMW. You guys did an amazing job. Thanks for calling the police department and having us roll out of Park Avenue BMW escorted. Status Motoring, we want to give a huge shout out to Joel. Thanks for your hospitality. Thanks for showing up, and just being an ambassador of the state of New York. For all those that did show up, man, you guys are amazing. We couldn't thank you enough for everything you did, for the cool cars that you showed, and we hope to see you soon because we're coming back.
Exactly, and definitely the MVP has to be Barney right here. Like he's been taking us like our private tour guide. Even though Miguel and I know the city, a lot of our team members don't know the city. The main theme for us was definitely the pizza, and then Baca. Any last words?
I'm extremely tired. I'm tired of seeing these guys. And thank you for like Miguel said, showing up. Thank you for having a really, really good time. Like, in my opinion, like it completely exceeded my expectations.
Yeah.
Of how it was gonna turn out. There was no drama, even though we had a little bit of hiccups with the routes and everything. But
That's unplanned, and I think a lot of people did say like it was good to put the face to the car, or the car to the face, or the face to the IG handle. It was good to meet you guys. Riz?
I want a bacon, egg, and cheese.
Okay, Kevin.
Honestly, picking it off Baca, it was great putting the name to the face, and the route was just absolutely breathtaking. The fall colors, just how scenic it was, and the roads themselves were great driving roads too.
I'm so mad I don't have my car here for this.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Maybe next time.
Next time we bring our cars.
That would be
All right, so we want to step
There's
up.
always next time.
We want to step up Barney up here.
Come on, Barney, get up here. Say some words to the guys.
Yeah, so if
and
you
girls.
don't know him, his Instagram handle is b._M3, and we'll have it down here. He has an amazing car, and I know he's been the ambassador here in New York. So Barney, man, thanks again for everything. This is your town. This is your people, man. This has been amazing. We love you guys, and we hope to see you soon. Barney, anything you want to say to them?
Thank you for coming out, guys. We really appreciate the support. Drive safe and power.
See you guys on the next one.
All right, Barney. Thank you, man.
Hey, thanks.
It's been great seeing you, man. We'll have to get back up.
Tips.
Tips.
Keep in touch, brother.
We will. I'll send you all those pictures.
All right, we'll do.
Hey, guys.
See you later. Roll you in now, man. Ready? 1, 2. Fucking clowns.
About to freaking find some food. Alright, man.
You gotta come now, man.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure. Oh, two fish for that big one.
You'll have your pictures.
This is a special.
It's like Honda and Acura.
Or do we go to a...
Alright, we're just at the airport, about to board the plane, head back to Florida.
And Grizzly said, for the cost of a Raptor, he's all in.
All in, all the chips. All the chips, all the chips.
Better be fully loaded. That's all I'm saying.
What's my name?
Baka.
Johnny Rabbit!
No one got footage.
Bro, that dude was nuts.
I do, I have it.
You have
I have it on the good camera.
Oh.
Yeah. Time to leave. Time to head back. Tips. Tip top tips.